Here are 5 reasons why the Surron's better than any other e-bike. Number 1, it's got power. So much so you could just wheelie for days. No, seriously, it has some serious power. Just look up there. I mean, just look at this hill. Oh, not a struggle. This hill is even hard for cars to climb. And this is doing it without ease. And it's accelerating 26 miles an hour up this steep grade hill. And it's not slowing down. Now look at how high we are. Like I said, the Surron climbed that without any problems. I mean, look at there's snow up there. There's snow up there. What other e-bikes could do this? Super 73 can't. No hate to Super 73, but you guys can't just climb up a mountain like this. I could see all of Vegas right here. Number 2, customizability. Is that a word? All right, as a stock bike is, it comes with different tires. Factory tires come with more like dirt bike-like tires. I added new wheels and tires. These are more street tires. They're a little dirty right now because I really, use and abuse the bike. Oh, like my ex-girlfriend did to me.
What did he say?
I also added this belt drive. This makes it just quieter. This makes it more like street ready. It makes so much of a difference. The chain drive is great. It's durable, it's reliable, but the belt drive is so much more quieter. I also added red grips. I added new handlebars to this. These are Ditey handlebars. I'm gonna put everything in the description. So if you guys wanna make your bike just like mine, well, then you could do it. All right, and then I also added red grips. I need to change these. I put about 1,000 miles on these grips. They are worn down. Now the customizability options for Surrons are limitless. There's so many companies out there making different parts for Surrons. You could even 3D print parts. Let me show you. So typically the speedometer actually goes here, but I made a custom 3D mount for it, and I just printed it and made it for it. It's simple as that. You can do a 72 volt option battery. This is a 60 volt, I believe, and you can get a 72 volt that will take this bike to 80 miles an hour. You can turn this bike into an absolute machine just with some add-ons. You can also change the shock rate and the springs and everything else. You could change everything on the bike if you want. You can get new pegs, you can do everything. This bike is so customizable, unlike other brands. It's also pretty amazing because Segway makes basically the same bike. So the parts can fit on both bikes, Surron and Segway. Let's move on. Oh, my leg, I'm giving up. I'm getting old. Can we just take an opportunity to take a look at Vegas' scenery and also creep on everyone's backyard? I never leave. All right, let's go. At number 3, this bike is fast. Like, really fast. Let me demonstrate. Don't let me die. 45 miles and a 46. Slow down. I gotta slow down. I only have one hand on here. I can't do this no hand, but you get the idea. This bike is fast. Like really fast. Now it's claimed that it does 50 miles an hour, but really it only does about 45 miles an hour, which is plenty fast for a bike, especially just wear a helmet, like not like me. I was dropped as a kid, and this is the result of it. So just get a helmet, but it does 45 miles an hour. Pretty good. At number 4, the bike is just reliable, but that's without exception. Let me show you. Now I've put 1,500 miles on this bike since I got it, and it's been extremely reliable, but when you go too hard on it, you start breaking stuff. And let me show you what I broke. First off, my suspension is totally busted. All the fluid's leaking out. They bottom out now because I just sent it too hard. I'll show you here. Secondly, the kickstand. When it comes down, it starts to bend a little bit. And so mine, after a while, it bent too much and the bracket just broke off. So I had to get it welded because there was no kickstand available online. It was all sold out. So unfortunately, I had to get it welded up, but look at the weld job. I'm making 20 bucks. But for 1,500 miles, this bike's been amazing. I had to do a brake job on it, completely switch out new brake pads because the brakes get worn down, as you can imagine. But overall, this bike is absolutely killer. They say it's not street legal, but I'm yet to get pulled over. I mean, I pass cops every day. Cops don't typically care unless you're doing wheelies and other stupid shit on the street, which I do, but I run from the cops.
Look at them just going in and out of traffic.
Actually, it's getting kind of dark out right now. Let's head back to the house and I'll go to number 5.
Being Vegas, you'd think it'd be hot outside, but it's actually cold and I'm freezing my ass off and I can't even think straight. But the 5th reason we're inside is to talk about the battery life. Now, we were out for about 2 hours out there driving around, going up in hills and everything. Now, what do you think the battery would be at? Wait for it, wait for it. 49%. We are half battery, riding up and down every hill in there, going 100 miles an hour. We are at 50% left battery. Now that's pretty good. The bike has regenerative braking, so it does slow down when it's going down hills and charges up the battery, which does absolutely basically nothing. But it does have that. But overall, this bike is amazing. I have no complaints, other than the fact that I need to tweak a little things. Obviously, when you go super hard on it like I do and I abuse it and use it as it should be, I go a little over what the manufacturer suggests, and in result, I do break things. And it's gonna happen with anything, but overall, the bike is amazing. It's durable, haven't had a flat tire, haven't had anything. Wait. Yeah, a few suggestions if you do get the Surron. Upgrade the tires, or at least the tubes inside the tires. The tubes that go inside the standard tires on it are horrible. They're super thin and they just are not good at all. So upgrade the tubes. You can always get the street tires. I would keep the chain, honestly. I don't know, I'm torn if it was a chain, replacing the chain was worth it, because the belt sometimes slips. I just gotta tune it up a little bit. But overall, the bike is amazing. And well, if you wanna buy one, I suggest get one. They're only, well, you could look it up. You could look it up how much it is. I mean, it's pretty, let's just say it's like a Super 73 on acid. Wait, no, on cocaine, that's what it is. But here it is. I did remove the headlight. There is a headlight that comes on as standard. I did take it off because I just did not like it. But overall, the bike is amazing. And I suggest you guys get one. I did put this, this phone thing just so I can see navigation. It is at 50% battery. Or 49. It is used and abused a little bit, but you know what? That's what it's intended for. And this bike is solid. So go get a Super 70, go get a Surron, and you guys, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting just random stuff as much as possible. So check it out, and go buy a Surron. All right, see ya.